So, planning to study abroad, it can feel like you're trying to climb a huge mountain, right? But what if you had a whole team of experts guiding you every single step of the way? Today, we're going to look at a brand new, much smarter way to map out your journey to studying overseas, and it all starts with your own personal team of AI agents.
I mean, it's a massive dream for so many people, isn't it? The thought of living in a completely new country, soaking in a different culture, getting a top-tier education, it's absolutely life-changing. But actually turning that dream into a real plan, well, that's where things start to get a little tricky.
You've got this amazing, exciting dream on one side. But then, boom, reality hits. The planning process is often just this tangled mess of confusing information. You're getting advice from agents who might have their own agenda, you're seeing stuff on social media that you can't really trust, and there's just no clear, honest guidance. All that excitement can fade pretty fast and turn into pure stress.
Okay, so this is the really cool idea behind AIPA Lite. Forget about some giant, clunky tool that tries to do everything at once. Instead, just imagine having your own dedicated team of advisors, all powered by AI, where every single member has one specific job to help build your perfect plan.
Right, let's break this down a bit. This isn't just one AI trying to juggle everything. It's what's called a multi-agent system. You can think of it like a Formula One pit crew. You don't have one mechanic trying to change all 4 tires and refuel the car, right? No way. You have specialists, and that's exactly what's happening here. Each AI agent is a specialist, which makes the entire process way smarter and a whole lot more efficient. So, who exactly is on this AI team of yours? Let's meet the 3 key advisors who are going to take you from total confusion to a plan that's actually clear and actionable. And it all works together in this really logical 3-step process. First up, the profile analyzer gets to know you as a student. Then, based on that profile, the country recommender points you to the best places to study. And finally, the scholarship matcher swoops in to help you figure out how to actually pay for it. See? Each step builds right on top of the last one. You know, what makes this whole system so powerful is how focused each part is. Every agent has exactly one job, and it does that job really, really well. The profile analyzer isn't getting distracted by scholarships. Its only goal is to create that snapshot of you. It's that specialization that makes the final recommendations so incredibly personal and reliable. Okay, so that's the theory behind it. But what does this look like when you're actually using it? Let's walk through the whole journey and see how this AI team turns just a couple pieces of your data into a complete blueprint for studying abroad. And believe it or not, the entire thing kicks off with just 4 simple things from you: your grades, your language test score, your budget, and what you want to study. That's it. No filling out endless complicated forms, just the basics. Immediately, that first agent gets right to work. It takes that raw info and turns it into standardized scores. Suddenly, you have this super clear snapshot of your academic standing, your language skills, and how ready your budget is. This becomes the solid foundation for everything that comes next. And check this out. It visualizes your whole profile in a single glance. You can see your strengths right away. So in this example, you can tell the student's academics are really strong, but maybe they need to focus a bit more on finding funding. It gives you an honest, data-driven starting point before you even think about which country to pick. So now the country recommender takes those scores and does its thing. It crunches the numbers and comes back with a simple, ranked list of the top countries that are the absolute best fit for you. This isn't some generic list you'd find online. It's a recommendation built just for you from your own data.
But it doesn't just leave you with a destination. Oh no, the scholarship matcher then goes out and finds potential funding opportunities that line up perfectly with your profile and those recommended countries. It connects the dots between where you should go and how you can actually afford to get there. It's brilliant.
And then all of this information gets pulled together into one powerful visual, the radar chart. This is fantastic because it lets you see your entire profile in one shot. Your strengths, where you might need to improve. It's a complete 360-degree view of how ready you are to study abroad. So, at the end of this whole process, what do you get? Not more confusion. You get a clear, easy-to-understand report as a PDF you can share and a data file for your records that gives you a concrete plan. The AI team has done all the heavy lifting, so you can take the next steps with real confidence. Now, this is obviously amazing for any single student, but the technology behind it has much bigger implications. We're talking about a new way to make all kinds of complex decisions feel transparent and trustworthy. And this approach is so powerful because it's not some mysterious black box. You can actually see how it made the recommendations. The results are reproducible, which means they're consistent and reliable, not just random. And this is a big one. It all works offline, so your personal data stays completely private and secure with you. In the end, it really all boils down to this mission right here. It's about using technology not to replace us, but to empower students with the clear, unbiased, and transparent information they desperately need to make one of the most important decisions of their lives. It's such a powerful concept, isn't it? And it really makes you wonder, if a team of AI agents can bring this much clarity to planning your education, what other huge life choices, like planning a career change or managing your finances, could be simplified next? It's definitely something to think about.